Welcome back. In this class we are going to create a dictionary program which will convert the number given by the user to the corresponding digits in words. Let us start with the command line. Convert corresponding digits of a number into words. So I need to accept a number from the user. Here I am not using the integer type, I am using the string type itself, but I consider that as a number. So num is equal to input of enter the number. Now I will have a dictionary where I will have set of a digit and word for it. So I call it as digi is equal to a dictionary. For 0 I am giving 0 in words. Similar way for 1 I will give 1 in word. 2 2 in word. Similar way I will continue until 9. Now I will take the empty string saying result is equal to quotes for I in num. Remember num we have taken as input, that is as a string. So I is going to be a character. Character means a number but as a character. So it is not a numerical value. We will change it to numerical value to take it as a key. So key is equal to int of I. Now if I am giving 456 for example, when it traverses 4 will be the first digit. So here the 4 character is converted into integer, so that becomes key. Now I take another variable called val is equal to, I take the value of that digit 4, digi of the key. So 456 means 4 is the key, for that value is 4. This will be put it into here. Now I will add that one with the result. So result plus equal to, I will add one space between each word. So I will add a space and then I will add val. Now in the result 4 will be there. Next, as it is 5, it will take 5's value in word, it is 5 here. So value will be 5 in words, that is added with previously what was there, 4 and one space and then 5 will be there. Similar way next time when the for loop runs it becomes 6. So the value 6 in word is added to the result. So already there is 4 and 5 in words. Now 6 also added. So now 4 space 5 space 6 will be given. So we will come out of this loop and then we will print the result. So if you want a message we can give there with corresponding digits in words, comma result. Let us check this. So I am giving as I have 4, 5, 6. So you could see 4, 5, 6 in words. It is so simple program we take from the dictionary. We can also do the same thing with the list, but we will have two different lists. Hope this was very clear to you. Let us meet in the next class. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.